Welcome to your sacred meditation space. Sit comfortably in a quiet, peaceful place. Take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale fully through your mouth. One more time, deep breath in and full breath out. As you continue with deep breaths, breathing in and out through your nose, observe your belly rising and filling up as you breathe in and emptying fully as you exhale. With every exhale, relax your body more and more. Start with your toes, your feet. Feel your feet relaxing with the next exhale. Feel that gentle, subtle feeling of relaxation spread through your legs, your knees, your thighs. Let this wave of relaxation flow up your spine. Relax your chest and your shoulders. Relax your arms and your hands. Deep breath in, deep breath out. Relax your shoulders, soften your neck and your face. Simply let go and relax every muscle in your body. Keep doing this with every new exhale. Deep breath in, deep breath out. Gently place your attention to your breath. Notice its rhythm, the gentle rise and fall of your chest. Breathe in peace, breathe out peace. Continue like this for a few more breaths. Now, become aware of the empty space immediately around your body. Feel the air touching your skin, the space you occupy here and now. Stay with this awareness for a moment. Keep breathing deeply as you do this. Gently, gradually, allow your awareness to expand to include the empty space in the room you are currently in. Feel the expanse around you, the air filling the room. Rest in this awareness. Another deep breath in. Hold your breath for 1, 2, 3, and breathe out, relaxing even more. Slowly expand your attention to the space around your house or apartment. Imagine the building and the air around it. Feel the openness of the space. Expand your awareness of it and feel the space around your neighborhood. Rest in this awareness for a moment. Keep your breaths deep and profound. Deep breath in, deep breath out. Now, let your awareness rise all the way up, high up above you. Feel the presence of the sky, the clouds, the vast space above, all the way from your chest outward. Stay here for a while, feeling the expansiveness. Observe how your awareness contracts slightly as you breathe in and expands as you breathe out. That vast expanse of space is breathing with you in unison. Take a deep breath in and fill your lungs fully. Hold your breath for 1, 2, 3, and relax fully as you breathe out. Deep breath in, deep breath out. Let's expand even more. Visualize the empty space around the Earth. Imagine looking down at our planet, feeling the vastness of space our planet floats in. Take a moment and relax in this awareness. Feel the empty space around the Earth, all the way from the center of your chest to every corner of the solar system and beyond. Feel it's the same empty space. Observe how it's breathing with you. Deep breath in, deep breath out. Now, gently, gradually, bring your awareness back to Earth. Then sink gently into the atmosphere, sinking through the clouds. Relax in this gentle, tender feeling, floating back into the space around your house or apartment. Then to the room you're in, and finally back to the space around your body and just above your head. Keep breathing. Deep, relaxed, gentle breaths. Your lungs are expanding as you breathe in and contracting slightly as you breathe out, just like the air all around you. Gently, tenderly, take another deep breath in and hold the breath for the moment. As you breathe out, become aware of the empty space within your body, the openness within. Stay with this feeling. Feel the empty space within your organs, the gaps, the emptiness. Pause here briefly, feeling this internal space. Feel how it breathes with you. Deep breath in, deep, relaxing breath out. Imagine the space between your cells, within your cells, right down to the atoms. Feel this inner universe as vast as the outer one. Feel it breathing deeply with you, in unison, perfectly synchronized. Deep breath in, deep, relaxing breath out. Now, gently bring your attention back to your breath. Feel its gentle rhythm, grounding you. Begin to become aware of your body again, and the air gently touching the surface of your skin. Become aware of the weight of your body on the surface you're sitting on. You're safe. You're loved. You're peace. Gently, gradually, at your own pace, take a deep breath. Stay seated for a little while more. Wiggle your toes, move your hands and fingers gently. When you feel ready, staying one with the peace within, you may open your eyes slowly and gradually. Welcome back.